Hi there, today we'll be unboxing a gaming chair. So this particular one is by a company called L33t Gaming. Details are in the description below for anyone thinking of purchasing. So this particular gaming chair is the E-Sport Pro Excellence and it's the large size in red. So the chair also has an option of having an LED kit on there. So we've also got that at the side in this small box here. So let's have a quick look around the packaging. So, comes in a large brown box, quite heavy. Actually had 2 people deliver this. Some details here. It's a large format, max recommended load capacity 150 kilograms, strong cold rolled carbon steel frame, built-in adjustable lumbar support, and non-sweat breathable PU for optimized airflow. Okay, coming around on the side, some details here about the chair. So sturdy, breathable PU leather, belts in seat backrest for increased comfort and ergonomics, 165-degree adjustable backrest, built-in adjustable lumbar support, multi-function lift, and then we've got strong steel base, extra broad and thick seat, adjustable 3D armrest, high quality cold molded foam, high ventilation ability, and cold rolled steel frame. Okay, so on this side, I've got a picture of the actual chair, another picture, side profile with dimensions here, and a front profile with dimensions as well. Okay, some more details here, multi-language. Okay, so the top just has branding in the corner and Pro Series Excellence, and that's it. Okay, next we've got a smaller box, and this one has the LED strip kit. And let's open this up first of all. Okay, so the packaging came with this package in there, and L33t Gaming light up your gaming chair, a wireless remote control and power bank included. Universal LED light pack fits most gaming chairs. Okay, got a picture of a remote on there as well. Add comfort to your game. Website there, some details here. That's it. So let's open it up, see what we get in this. Okay, so this is what we get. We get a small power bank, a micro USB to USB cable, a strap with Velcro on there, remote and the LED strip kit, details of what's in the package, and a picture showing how it should be installed, and branding there. And that's all you get. So I'll show how to install this in a moment. Okay, so let's open up the packaging and see what you get in there. Okay, so the first thing on the top is the actual steel frame for the bottom of the chair, taking all the foam off there, all steel construction on there, coming round this way, a piece of plastic, and that's it. Build quality of this feels really strong and rigid. Okay, next, got a support cushion. There you go. Just to show the hook's not on there, and just has some foam inside. Strap on there, and build of it feels nice, and the writing looks like it's been stitched in. So looks great, and just to show, all black PU leather and red at the side with the zip at the bottom. Next you've got some fixtures for assembling the chair. Okay, next you've got the back of the chair. Okay, so a velvety finish just along the edge there. PU leather, obviously all of this. This feels breathable, so small holes in there. And if I bring it in close, you can just see that. So you've got some stitching in here with the branding and logo on there. And coming around this way, same thing again. Stitched in, and the rest just PU leather. You've got an adjustment here, and it says resistance and a plus and minus on there. 2 holes here at the side. Coming around this way, 2 holes just down there. Okay, so next coming around here, you've got the armrests. So obviously 2 of them. There you go. So it feels plastic along the side, metal at the bottom, and cushioned rubbery at the top. Build quality feels good, and you've got, looks like, some adjustment points to adjust it. and holes at the bottom for obviously bolting it on. Okay, next we've got a box here. I'll open that up. Okay, looks like adjusters for the chair, and it looks like the base for where the seat would actually sit. Okay, next we've got two pieces of plastic, slight ridge on there. Build quality feels reasonable on these. Looks like the casters for the wheels and some other fixtures. Okay, putting that back on. And plastic here, metal here as well. This must be what it all sits on. Dual wheel, all plasticky, feels of strong plastic, and a metal point just up here, obviously to slot it in. So next we've got the actual seat itself. Got two metal arms here, and velvety finish there, PU leather there, feels like PU here as well, and ventilated. Coming around the other way, got some instructions on how to assemble it, and one-sided inventory of what you get and details of how to put this together. Okay, so that's all the items you get in the packaging. Okay, so looking at the instructions here, let's do the first stage of the assembly. So, getting the casters, just put them on the actual bottom of the frame here. Just clips in, so you just push them in one at a time. Once the feet are on, you've got this item here, and that sits straight in there. And then 3 plastic cups. That sits straight on top of there. So, coming out so. Okay, so stage 2 in the instructions is getting the actual seat and the front parts here, the back parts there, and attaching this attachment on there. What I like about the instructions, just looking at them now, they're labeled really well. So you've got some letters here for the bits you require, and in the packaging, it's lettered up. So you need an M, N, for instance, and it says here N, M, H, and L. So H is just here and L is just there. So you know you need a combination of these. So quite well how they've done it. So we just need to bolt in this fixture for the bottom bit. Okay, so the attachment's on now. Now we can move on to the next part, which is attaching the actual armrests on. There you go, the armrests are on and the bottom part is on as well. So this is prepared. Okay, so next we can put the adjusters for the chair on, and since that's the front of the chair, these flaps should point that way and they slot straight on. And there you go, simple as that to put on. Okay, so I've flipped the bottom of the chair over and you've got 2 brackets either end. Now we can put the back of the chair on. So there's holes at the side on both sides, and just need to put it in position and then tighten it up. Okay, so now we need to put the side covers on each side of the chair. So 2 different types of covers. You can see this goes straight down and this has a slight angle to it. You can tell quite easily which one's which. So if I put this on, there's a big gap here. So it's not this one, it has to be this one. And if I put it over like so, there's a point here that clips in down there and there's a screw hole just there. There you go, now that's attached. You can just plug in the bottom bits here, just push it in, and there's a cover just to cover the screw hole up. Okay, so the final thing to do on this side is put the other cover on like so, and that's it. That's covered up as well, so that side's done. Okay, so next to sit the actual chair onto the base here. So there's a hole there and that sits straight onto there. So let me do that next. And there you go, simple as that. Okay, so next we can put the cushion on for the headrest. So elastic around there and it can just be put like so. Simple as that. Okay, so now the chair's assembled, we can move on to the LED strip kit for this. So, comes with a power bank and very straightforward. Some cable underneath and 2 small strips of LED lights, and that plugs obviously straight into the power bank. And then you've got a charge point there, a light indicating it's on, and if I take the remote, press on, there you go, it's simple as that to get up and running. And you've got some options here, so flash, strobe, fade and smooth. Okay, and then you can just turn it off. Obviously it just runs straight off the power supply. So this is an optional add-on for the chairs, and the lights just go underneath. So next thing is you've got a strap here, a Velcro strap. So very straightforward. If I take that, put it through, and then power bank can sit in there, and you can just tighten it up and release it when you don't need to use it. So this needs to be attached underneath the chair. Okay, so the installation of the strip kit is quite straightforward. 2 LED strips. It'll be placed like this, and the cable can slip just underneath the gap here. Okay, so now with the Velcro strap, if I bring it around here and put this over like this, and then with the power bank, I can slot it in at this angle here, and then just connect it like so. And then with this, I can just tighten it up. And there you go. Okay, so the LED strip kit's now on. Just to give you an idea what it looks like, if I come in low, that's what you can expect to see. And if I turn the lights off, that's how it is. Okay, so let me run you through the adjustments available on the chair. So coming on the side here, we've got a turning knob here. So if I now turn it, you can see this coming out, obviously for back comfort. Okay, and then if I come back, we've got a handle just below here, and if I now pull on that, that brings the back up. But if I hold on to the chair, you can bring the back straight down. Comfort wise, I have tried it and it does feel very comfortable, and bringing it back up. Okay, so hand rest adjustment wise, you can push it up, pull it down, push that up. That's quite nice, and obviously I've shown already, so multiple positions you can move it in. This adjustment is also possible with the armrest. Okay, so I'm now sitting on the chair and there's an adjustment here. If I loosen it, you can now move like so, and then if you're comfortable, just lock it into position, and there you go, it just stays in that position. And then if you revert it back, lean back, unclips, and just lock it again. Okay, coming around the other way, height adjustment, so coming around, there you go, and like with any other standard chair, drops down as well. So simple as that. Okay, so you've seen the unboxing and assembly of this gaming chair. Simple to assemble, great looking chair here, very comfortable to sit in, and a number of adjustments on there. Now, if you're at a computer for long periods, either gaming or even working, it's definitely worth investing in a good chair to sit at. Obviously, this can affect things like your back. So, there you go. Hope it's helped anyone thinking of purchasing this. Details in the description below. Thanks for viewing, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.